each one more decadent than the last. No expense or reputation is spared.
Spare. Spare.
No expense or reputation is spared.
Well, hi back. Did she spill about tonight?
No, not a drop. You all packed?
Your baggage is ready to go.
Hey.
Baggage. Baggage.
Your baggage is ready to go.
Hey. I'm in a secret government experiment.
Most government experiments don't have plasma TVs or maid services.
Plasma. Plasma.
Don't have plasma TVs or maid services. I don't know. Thought maybe we do a walking tour of New York Underground.
Underground. Underground.
Walking tour of New York Underground. I don't know. Thought maybe we do a walking tour of New York Underground. Visit my friends, the mole people.
Mole. Mole.
Visit my friends, the mole people. Walking tour of New York Underground. Visit my friends, the mole people. They're great, except they only ever eat leftovers.
Leftover. Leftover.
They're great, except they only ever eat leftovers.
Spotted on the steps of the palace, Cinderella stepping onto a pumpkin in...
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Cinderella stepping onto a pumpkin in... Spotted on the steps of the palace, Cinderella stepping onto a pumpkin instead of her carriage.
Carriage. Carriage.
Instead of her carriage. The faster you rise, the harder you fall. Hope that Hello Kitty sleeping bag doubles as a parachute. Let the
Parachute. Parachute.
doubles as a parachute. Let the
How about chicken? You can't go wrong with chicken.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Miss.
I'll have the lobster bisque and Muscovy duck, please.
Lobster. Lobster.
I'll have the lobster bisque and Muscovy duck, please. Thank
Yeah, I come here for the crowd. You want to play mistress or second wife?
Mistress. Mistress.
You want to play mistress or second wife?
Martini. Oh, no thanks. I don't like vodka. Well, that's nice, because this is gin.
Gin. Gin.
Because this is gin. What's the doorman wearing? Don't you worry about that, little Jay. Just drink up. You're lagging behind.
Lag. Lag.
Just drink up. You're lagging behind. Let's ramp this up, shall we?
Ramp. Ramp.
Let's ramp this up, shall we? What's it gonna be? Do or die, little Jay?
Spotlight on little Jay.
Spotlight. Spotlight.
Spotlight on little Jay. Spotlight on little Jay, now put to the test by one queen bee. Will Jay take the bait and go from Brady to Brittany?
Bait. Bait.
Will Jay take the bait and go from Brady to Brittany? Will Jay take the bait and go from Brady to Brittany? Or will her goody two-shoes mindset turn into the night's biggest buzzkill?
Buzz. Buzz.
Turn into the night's biggest buzzkill.
Starts with the capital RX.
What drugs have you been taking?
Caffeine.
Caffeine. Caffeine.
Caffeine.
Yeah,
I just had my tongue down your boyfriend's throat, and you neglected to tell me you existed until after it was over.
Neglect. Neglect.
You neglected to tell me you existed until after it was over.
There's something vibrating in your pocket, and I really...
Vibrate. Vibrate.
There's something vibrating in your pocket, and I really...
And I'll pass on a glass of that non-premium liquor that you're drinking.
Liquor. Liquor.
Glass of that non-premium liquor that you're drinking.
Dan, stay out of it, okay? You're just causing more problems than you're solving.
Only thing causing a problem is the cocktail napkin you're wearing.
Napkin. Napkin.
It's a cocktail napkin you're wearing.
Big brother to the not quite rescue. Too bad no one told him you can't save a damsel if she loves her distress.
Distress. Distress.
If she loves her distress.
Oh, nothing. I'm just so happy to have a home-cooked meal. Just needs a little salt.
What? It's perfect.
No, just a pinch.
Pinch. Pinch.
No, just a pinch.
Well, I wasn't allowed to. It was one of your rules.
Yeah, well, I may hold the reins a little tight, but like...
Rain. Rain.
Yeah, well, I may hold the reins a little tight, but like...
I'm not, okay? I can't believe that you did this.
Hey, I wasn't kidnapped, Serena.
Kidnap. Kidnap.
Hey, I wasn't kidnapped, Serena.
Oh, excuse me. If I remember, the first song was about me. The second one was about your motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Motorcycle.
The second one was about your motorcycle. The second one was about your motorcycle. And then there was the one about that surf town. What was it?
Saya.
Surf. Surf.
And then there was the one about that surf town. What was it?
Saya.
You loved it so much.
Well, I guess I figured social climbing would be more fulfilling.
Fulfill. Fulfill.
Social climbing would be more fulfilling.
Her name is Eleanor. I left my jacket here earlier, which irritates my mother to no end.
Irritate. Irritate.
Which irritates my mother to no end. Well, Rory looks cute on you. Look, I've seen Jenny in action, and my hunch is she...
Hunch. Hunch.
And my hunch is she... Actually, I'm going home. But, thanks for inviting me. It was a blast.
Blast. Blast.
Thanks for inviting me. It was a blast.